Welcome. Today's job circular is about SKF Company. SKF Company is a leading and fastest growing pharmaceutical company in the country. Now, let's talk about today's vacancy. The position is warehouse executive. Key responsibilities are given here. I am reading it out shortly. Inventory management, ensure receiving and issuing of raw and packing materials to ensure effective utilization of available manpower, to ensure standard warehouse practice, to prepare and review all warehouse related documents following CGMP, handling of QMS, quality management system, educational requirements, master's degree from science business studies background, having a good reading and writing ability in English. Experience 1 to 2 years of experience in the similar position in a reputed pharmaceutical company will be an added advantage. Application instructions: if you think you are the person we are looking for, please submit your application through skfmis.com/career. The deadline is 13th April 2021. So if you want to apply, the website link will be given in the description box below. You can click from there and you can go directly to the link is given here and then apply and follow the instructions. So if you want to take this job opportunity and a challenging career, then you can apply. I'm telling this job circular in English because the circular has been published in English, so that I think this will be good for you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.